Today, on the Super Brick Building channel, we're going to make this LEGO Creator Set. This is video 2 out of 3, and for this video, we're going to make this LEGO Hovercraft. So, let's get started. So, the first piece we need is this piece with studs on the side. Next, we're going to take these two long yellow pieces and put it right here and right here. Next, we're going to take this kind of boat-shaped piece, put it right here. And then this 2x4 flat piece, put it down there in the bottom. Next, we're going to take this piece with holes in it and put it right there here. Then, we're going to take this piece that looks like the front of a boat, put it right here. Then, we're going to take these two pieces, same piece, put it right here and right here. Then, take this 2x2 flat black piece, put it right here. And then, we're going to take these pieces, put it right here and right here. And then, right here and right here. The next pieces we're going to do is this 2x3 yellow piece, put it right here and right here. Then take this piece with two handles on the side, put it right here. Then this 2x2 flat black piece, put it right there. And this piece that looks like stairs, put it right here. And then we're going to take this piece, studs on the side, put it right here. Next, we're going to take these two 1x1 pieces, put it in the back, and then I'm going to take the circle piece, put it right here, if I can click it on. Then, we're going to take this piece, put it right here, and this green piece, put it right here. Then, I'm going to take this piece with a hole in it, put it right here, and then this piece with two holes in it, and put it right here. Click it on again. Then I'm going to take this piece and put it right here, and then another piece of studs on the side and put it right here. Next, we're going to take this piece with one stud on top and put it right here. Then, turn this thing around, take this red piece, put it right here, and a green piece and put it next to it. Then, we're going to take this piece, looks like a tag, put it right here, and this propeller piece, stick it right in here. Then, take this piece with lines on top, stick it right there. Next, we're going to take this curved piece and put this piece with lines on top right here, and then stick it right here. I'm going to do that again on the other side. Next, we're going to take this piece with two holes in it and put it right here. Then take this 2x2 black piece, put it right here. Next, we're going to take two of these little green curved pieces and put one right here and the other right here. Then take these two big curved pieces, put it right here, and the other one right here. Then we're going to take these two green pieces, put it right here and right here. Then take this green tile piece, put it right here. Then we're going to take two of these pieces, 2x3 pieces, and put them right here here. And click it on this green piece, put it right here. And then we're going to take this piece, whatever it is, put it right here. Next, we're going to take this 1x10 piece and put it right here. And then we're going to take another 1x10 piece, put it right here. And then take this big curved piece, stick it on right here. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Then we're going to take two of these pieces and put one right here and then one right here. Next, we're going to take this 2x3 yellow piece and then take this green piece and then put another one right here. Then a 1x2 green piece, put it on top. And then we're going to take it, put it right here. Then we're going to take two these pieces, put it right here, and oops, put it on right here. Then take two motor pieces, put it right here and right here. And then we're going to take this windshield piece, put it right here. Next, we're going to take this slanted piece, put it on the bottom of our little hovercraft boat right here, then right here. And then we're going to take this slanted piece, put it right here, this clip piece right here, then this 1x1 yellow piece right here. Then I'm going to clip it on our vehicle, I think right here. No wait, see other side right here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. There we have it. Our Lego boat, hovercraft, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching Super Brick Building, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below. I would love to see what you want me to make next. And don't forget to watch the next video coming up on how to make a Lego Creator airplane and on how to make a Lego helicopter. Thanks again for watching Super Brick Building.